Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add games in Discord. So as you can see, when we play games on Discord, you could see the status here, you could also see the status here. So if you want that to happen to your Discord to display the status of your games, here's how it is, guys. First, go to your user settings and just scroll down till you see the activity settings right here. For the activity privacy, make sure that these are turned on. That display current activity as a status message and share your activity status by default when joining large servers. You'll just turn these two, and now you can see the registered games here. So these are the registered games that can be displayed. But if your game is not here, you just need to click on add it right here. Now you can browse through the games that you want to add and just click on add game. And if you want the game to have toggled overlay, you can just click on these buttons here, toggle detection, and report incorrectly detected game. And that's all, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.